Hello students, welcome to the class of Mathematics, Standard 4th Maths. So now we are going to start our chapter number 13, Fields and Fans, part 2. In part 1, we are learning that how to measure the boundary. Now in part 2, we are going to learn about the practice time. See here, a square has boundary of 12 centimeter. Now, from the corner of this square, a small square of the side 1 centimeter is cut off. Now, see here. This part of 1 centimeter is cut off of the boundary B. Less or more, find the length. So let's find the length. We know that the boundary of B is equal to the boundary of C. So the boundary of the shape B is equal to 12 centimeter. Now if you cut 1 centimeter square from the C, what will be the length of boundary C? Here boundary C shape will be equal to 14 centimeter. क्योंकि हमें शेप C और शेप B इक्वल करने हैं. शेप B की मेजर 12 सेंटीमीटर है. अगर B और C को सेम करना है, then 2 centimeter we add in the C. So the boundary of shape C is equal to 14 centimeter. Now here is also given a 2 figure. Find the length of the boundary of the square D. B. 8 squares of the side 1 centimeter are cut off from the square D. Now it looks like the shape E. यहाँ पे E दिखाई दे रहा है ना? Yes. Now it's look like E. यहाँ से D में से यहाँ पे shape कट करने हैं. So we are finding the shape like E. So the boundary of this 1 centimeter is equal to 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So is equal to 20 centimeter. Now 8 square of the side 1 centimeter are cut out from the square D. Now look at the shape E. What is the length of boundary of E shape? हमने कितने शेप कट आउट किए हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 शेप कट किए हैं. So here in 8 square there are 21 edges. So 21 into 1 is equal to 21 centimeter. Now question number C. The boundary of this 1 centimeter is dash plus dash plus dash. Can we also say that boundary is 4 multiply 1 centimeter? The boundary of 1 centimeter is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 4 centimeter. So we said that 4 multiply 1 centimeter. Now we are turning to page number 156. A hockey field is 91 meter and 40 centimeter long and 55 meters wide. How long the boundaries of the field? We know that the length is 19 meter and 40 centimeter is equal to 9140 centimeter. Now the width of the field is equal to 55 meter, which means we have to convert 55 meter into centimeter. So 5500 centimeter. So boundary is equal to length plus breadth plus length plus width. So 9140 plus 5500 plus 9140 plus 5500 is equal to 29,280 centimeter. Now we convert into meter. 292 meter and 80 centimeter. Now Usha and Valsama are running a race. Usha is running on the inner circle while Valsama is running on the outer circle. See the figure properly. Now Valsama ran faster than Usha, but she lost the game. Can you guess why? Yes, of course. We know that inner circle is shorter in the boundary when compared to the outer circle. So Valsama is run from the outer circle and has to cover more land. So Valsama lost the race. Have you seen any race where runs start from the different place like this picture? Guess it. See that here is a picture and here are 3 tracks of the circle. Each track starting point is different. Yes, we see many times in a running race like this. So why it is made? Because it is made in such a manner to make the distance equal. Now school garden. The students of class 3rd and 4th thought out to making a vegetable garden. They chose place which look like this. See the picture. Garden number 1 and garden number. So students of both class thought that garden 1 is bigger. So both were fighting. They want to take garden 1. But suddenly the Neetu, one girl, said that I think that both garden are equal big. मुझे लगता है दोनों गार्डन इक्वल है. Quite possible. Let us find out. You are right. चलो सबने क्या बोला? ये पॉसिबल है. चलो हम कैसे ये पॉसिबल है वो ढूंढते हैं. So how will Neetu find out if 2 gardens are equal and big? तो नीतू कैसे find करेगी? First, Neetu place a long rope along the boundary of the garden. Want to measure the length. Again, she placed the rope along the boundary of garden 2 to measure the length of the garden 2. Then she found that the boundaries of both garden are equal. So the both garden number 1 and garden number 2 are equal. So this is the time for activity. Look at the pictures. Look at the table in your classroom. Guess how many mathematic books you can place here. Remember, the book should be not overlapped. Do not leave gaps between the books. यहाँ पे हम मैथ्स मैजिक की बुक लगाने वाले हैं, लेकिन एक के ऊपर एक बुक नहीं आनी चाहिए और 2 बुक के बीच में जगह नहीं रहनी चाहिए. सो राइट योर गैस हियर. आप क्या गैस कर सकते हो? ओके. 8 magic books can be placed on the table. Now check if your guess what is right. How many books could you place? Yes, we place 8 books. What is the difference between your guess and actual measure number of books? The difference between our guess and actual measures is equal to 0. क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो बुक दिखाई गई है पिक्चर में वो कितनी है? If you count it, see that it is 8 only. So our guess is true. Now, how many maths magic book can be covered with 1 sheet of newspaper? 4 maths books are covered with the newspaper. Try covering your mathematic book with half a sheet of newspaper. Yes, should be done by students. ये आप लोगों को अपने आप घर पे करना है. Can you cover your book with a smaller sheet? आपको देखना है कि आप एक छोटे से स्मॉलर शीट से न्यूज़पेपर के से अपनी बुक कवर कर सकते हो या नहीं. Yes, you can cover the book with a smaller sheet. D. Find the smallest sheet which can cover your book. Check if your friend use smaller sheet than did you. ये आपको अपने आप करना है. Now question number 4. Which is the biggest leaf in this picture? हमें इस पिक्चर में सबसे जो बड़ा लीफ है वो देखना है. सो 1, 2, 3 और 4 लीव में से कौन सा लीफ बड़ा है. सो द बिगेस्ट लीफ ऑफ द पिक्चर इज द मिडल फ्रॉम द टॉप. ये वाला कौन सा है? ये बड़ा वाला. दिस वन इज द बिगेस्ट वन. नाउ collect some leaves from the garden, place them to the square sheet, trace out their edges and check how many squares are there in the leaf. ये आपको अपने आप करना है. Which is the biggest leaf? आपने जो लिया था उसमें से जो सबसे बड़ा लीफ है वो करना है. You should done it by yourself. Textbook page number 160. See that here is a green picture of square. How many small square of 1 centimeter are there in the big green square? So here हमें एक एक बॉक्स काउंट करके ये पता करना है how many green boxes are there. So about 36 small square of the size 1 centimeter are there. Can you think of a faster way to know the number of small square and number of big square? Yes. See that here there are a shorter way. First we see that here how many boxes are there and here how many boxes are there. फिर हम here there are 6 boxes and here there are 6 boxes. So 6 multiply 6 is equal to 36 boxes. Now in a blue picture, guess how many square of 1 centimeter can fill this blue rectangle. तो यहाँ पे हमें ये फाइंड करना है कि हम लोग यहाँ पे कितने बॉक्स फिलअप कर सकते हैं. तो सी दैट पिक्चर्स यहाँ पे हमने फिलअप कर दिया है. देखो वो ऐसे हम ड्रॉ करते जाएंगे और हमारा जो बॉक्स है उसे फिल करेंगे तो ऐसे दिखेगा. नाउ देयर आर 32 स्क्वायर एंड माय गेस इज राइट. नाउ लुक एट द पिक्चर. हाँ, दिस इज अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल पिक्चर. Look at the picture. Can you divide into 4 equal pieces? Each piece should be have the same number of square. तो पहले हम यहाँ पे कितने टोटल पीस है वो देखेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 11 and 12. So here we have to divide like this. Here is 3 piece, straight is 3 piece and here is 3 piece. So we divide this picture into 4 equal parts. Okay, तो यहाँ पे हमारा चैप्टर नंबर 4 fields and fans complete हो चुका है. Students, I send all the sums in my PDF in part 1. You have to revise from it. Thank you.